I have a question about Harmony One about bottom targets of 0.0066. The question is, if you have time, check out bear market targets. Do you see it going lower than 0066? And within this, I'll also give a short-term price analysis of if crypto will do a mini rally, where's it going to go? And then what will its path down to that over 2022 into 2023? What will those bear market targets look like? All right, here we go. All right, so to answer your question first about overall bear market targets, yeah, I think one of these two is going to be hit. Well, I mean, now that it's there, I'm going to have to scoot it up, though. There you go. Yeah, it could. It could go down to 005. I don't think it'll go much lower than that because from its bottom. So as I was talking about on KDA, its bottom origin line was here, and most altcoins are going to go like 4 or 5 below its bottom one. So you got. So this is the one right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It actually might stop at 0.0088. It could, because it's. I had that target down here expecting it, you know, the bear market to like really accelerate down in September, which it kind of looks like that's not going to happen. It might be more like October when you're really, really getting bloody. So October, November, it'll, let's move it down somewhere at the beginning of the box, right? It might be 0072, or 0052. There you go, right there. I would say between those areas. And if it takes a little longer, you got to drag this up. So it could be 008. So I would say anywhere between 008, 005 to 008. If you just stack some orders between there and just look back at it next March 2023, probably doing pretty well for yourself. Probably doing pretty well. Yes, sir. Those would be my levels. Now let's zoom into Harmony One. On this rally, if Bitcoin can get all the way up to 23.2, because on the monthly scale, this month closes in 8 days, it's going to close red. Next month, if it's going to tank, it likely wants to look up in the first few days of the month and spike up to touch the monthly open of this month and then go down. And because the month before that was also at 23.2, and so in that, so I'm suspecting over the next 14 days we're going to have a mini rally in order to make that happen on the monthly scale before then a bloody September. So in this rally, how often does it stop in the middle of the origin lines? This is all bull market, so it doesn't count. Hasn't done this yet. All right. I would say on this is a little weaker. This is not participating in the rally very much as of now. So I don't expect it to get up to a 40% rally. Ethereum off the lows could get 40% because it's been pretty hot. But this one is not going to get it. I would say at best 45-degree angle and a halfway origin line, maybe a failure pattern above. I could see this rally over the next 10 days getting as high as that or between these two areas right there. So 00275 or no, 0.0275 and 0.0262. I could see it getting that high. It could come up short because it looks like it's not participating very well in this rally, but I could see it coming up to there. And then over the next several months, Won't happen immediately. Yeah, and I'm guessing, like, honestly, it could be February when we see a really big drawdown. But these would be my levels. In the event that we do get a nasty September/October, you could see it come all the way down there. But you could get a bounce here in September/October. Let's say starts bouncing late October. Boom. Big rally. Wait till so go sideways until the new year. Let me get on a bigger chart. And then come down real big and then hit those levels. So it might not get all there all in one swoop. It might not. Actually, it probably won't. It might be February or January of 2023 before these origin lines are hit. So that's what we got for